Hey there. So we are here at Urban Dhaba near Kotapet, right? So it's near the Telephone Colony Arch, and we actually wanted to come by this place because it gave a proper dhaba feel. So there are khatiyas, as you can see, and there is this thing on the khatiya, a table-like thing wherein we can, have like a proper Punjabi meal type. So the decor is pretty amazing. You don't get this sort of a feel here, at least in South India, and I'm happy that we found this place. Why don't you say hi to Vishal? Hi. So yeah, we just received the menu and we're gonna go through it and see what we have to order. And once we decide what we are gonna order, I'll get back to you. So starter में एक crispy corn, and then मेन्स में एक कढ़ाई वेज और एक वेज शवरमा भी और सिंगल पनीर बिरयानी और 2 रुमाली रोटी एंड एक बॉटल ठंडा पानी भी दे दीजिएगा 1 लीटर का। एक साथ लेके आ सकते हैं सर? एक साथ नहीं आएगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा इट सीम्स एक साथ आने।
10-15 मिनट नहीं 20 मिनट। हाँ
ठीक है चलेगा, सारे एक साथ लेके आइए। एक वेज शवरमा, एक कढ़ाई वेज, एक क्रिस्पी कॉर्न, सिंगल पनीर बिरयानी एंड 2 रुमाली रोटी। So we've just placed the order. Let's see how the food I mean, I asked to get everything together, but he said like if everything has to come together, it's gonna take a little while longer, which I think is fair, right? Because normally they serve the starters first, and while we are having the starters, they get the main course ready. But let's see how the food turns out. So apparently there is no crispy corn on the menu, but we've asked if there is crispy veg, so he's gone to check if there is crispy veg. If not, we probably might skip the starter. Let's see. I mean, place is pretty crowded, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there are quite a few people here. Like I can see, I feel that, it's a pretty nice place wherein people are coming. And to be honest, this is a Saturday. So Saturday night people do come out. So yeah, I think that is why we have such a crowd today. So this place is practically filled right now. Like you have the khatiyas or the what is this called? I don't know, whatever, khatiya, cots. The cot seating is completely full, and there's like literally 1 or 2 booths that are left. Like you can see one right behind me. Most of it is, I know, what is it? There are restaurants that get filled very fast, but I don't know. I never thought a restaurant like which is not on the main road and things like that will, have this much of a popularity. I'm kind of surprised, to be honest. Our starter, the crispy wedges here. It looks like the pakora I made yesterday, doesn't it? So I made, onion and paneer pakora yesterday. So it kind of looks like that. As you can see, it smells pretty nice, to be honest. So why don't we just serve ourselves? He offered to serve, but I said, no, we'll do it ourselves. The quantity is also pretty nice. It's not bad. I think I'm gonna ask for a little bit of ketchup. Vishal, can you? Let's try it without the ketchup first. So there's a lot of onion, capsicum, this potato.
Good chaat masala.
It's nice actually. And they didn't skimp on the onions, by the way. They gave us a whole plate full of them. It tastes pretty nice. I think with sauce or ketchup like that, this will taste even better. Let's ask for it. So we just got the ketchup. I'm gonna try it with the ketchup. It's better. Much better with the ketchup. So by the time we are finishing our starter, which was the crispy veg, the veg shawarma has come in. I think you can see the cross section of it. How is it? Vishal's already having his half. It's nice.
I think he basically put manchuria in between.
Is it manchuria? Okay. Oh, it's filled. It has that paper, butter paper on it. And let me just check. Yeah, I think it's Manchuria in between. But it has a smoky taste. It's a smoky Manchuria then. Nice. I like it. But there's a huge amount of mayo in this, which is one thing that I'm not very keen on. You know?
And shawarma is supposed to be filled with mayo.
But not this much mayo. You can see it overflowing from the sides.
It is the speciality of it.
It's a hit and miss for me. I love the starter, but the shawarma has like a way too much mayo. And it's made with Manchurian. See, I can remove the Manchurian out. I can actually check the Manchurian out. It's just a fried veg Manchurian ball, which is coated in that salad and shawarma. Interesting. So our main course is also here. So we've, as you can see, ordered kadhai veg. It looks pretty nice, to be honest. Smells nice too. I can smell a whole lot of dhania going into it. We have our 2 rumali rotis and then our paneer biryani too. Oh, it's piping hot. My hands just seared off. Come on, I'll just serve the kadhai veg first. I can see a garlic piece over there. I think Vishal loves his garlic, so yeah, Vishal, there is a whole lot of garlic and there's a whole lot of different vegetables also in this. That's nice. Let me get in. There's baby corn, there's potatoes, there's onion, there's capsicum, and I can see like literally there are pieces and pieces of garlic in it. I just served a piece of garlic to Vishal. And we have the rumali. You can have this. I have one. Let me just go ahead and taste the kadhai veg. Oh, that looks nice. Yummy. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's nice. Very nice rather. Vishal is shaking his head vigorously, by the way. What do you say, Vishal?
It has that smoky flavor.
Yeah, it has a smoky flavor and it has that proper kadhai masala ka taste. Normally this is missing in many of the restaurants. This is like that proper kadhai masala wherein I can taste pieces of that, the dhania seeds, jeera seeds and everything. That's nice. Let us finish the roti and then I'll let you know how the biryani was. So I'm gonna serve myself. I don't think there's a spoon here, but anyway, I'm gonna serve myself some of the paneer biryani. Okay. Oh, that's nice. My first is in and I couldn't hit paneer, like my first spoonful in. I'm gonna take half of it and leave half of it for Vishal. I think I've taken my half. Yeah. Oh, paneer. I want the paneer. Yeah, here you go. The other half. The quantity seems nice for a single. There's quite a bit of the biryani over here, as you can see. Looks pretty nice. Quite a few bits of paneer. We have the raita and the salan as well. I think I'm gonna skip the salan. It looks pretty oily. But we definitely have the raita and a bit of kadhai veg also left. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take a little bit of kadhai veg as well. Vishal, do you want some? No?
I asked you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try it and see how it is. Let me just mix it up. Looks nice. Let me. Very flavorful. The paneer also is like super soft. The paneer is nicely spiced. I like that. Let me just have. I think I like it a lot. Vishal, do you? It's nice. It's not very spicy, but it has a bit of spice. Usually, when we say paneer biryani, they make it very bland, right? Vishal has just taken out the number of paneer pieces that have come are like incredible. Same with me. Like way too much paneer, to be honest. Isn't it, Vishal? You want to show them that? No? So there are like this sized good 12 pieces of paneer only in Vishal. So you have that in mine also. That's a good quantity of paneer, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and try the raita over here along with the biryani. The raita, Vishal already had it and he says it's very good. So I'm just
Taste the
gonna
raita
directly. Oh, it's tangy, it's nice. It also has that chaat masala flavor. Bas. It also has that chaat masala flavor. I've just added that to the biryani rice. It has that fresh green chili also in it, which is nice. So we just got done with our meal and we're waiting for the bill right now. Vishal is also here. He just went to wash his hands. I'm already done. I'm like so full right now. And we had to waste a little bit of food, but I know the quantity was quite good actually for the price we paid. I'll leave the link to the place on Zomato and Google Maps down below so that you can have a look at this place. And it has gotten quite crowded and everything. So I know it's a good place because there are so many people who are regular customers over here, and I hear them talking, like we're here for the third time or fourth time and things like that. So yeah, it was a good meal. We really enjoyed it, and do leave a comment down below on your experiences in Punjabi dhabas and stuff like that. And like, share and subscribe, and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.